In this video, I'm going to show you two amazing hair growth recipes that will not only grow your hair, but it will also stop hair shedding, hair fall, as well as hair thinning. When chemicals damaged my hair and I had to do the big chop, I was struggling to grow my hair till I discovered natural ingredients and also learning the right way to use them. And now my hair is flourishing, it's much thicker and more beautiful. And today's video is one of such recipes that will help you grow your hair much faster and also help stop hair breakages. Let's get into the video. If you're stopping by for the first time, I say welcome to my channel. You're gonna love it here and learn a lot about your hair. Also, if you're one of my returning subscribers, you know how I appreciate the love and support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them with your loved ones. One of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is rice. I'm using the long grain rice today, but feel free to use any rice of your choice. I'm going to measure about 4 tablespoons of the rice and put it in my saucepan. Rice contains vitamins and minerals that will strengthen your hair strands and prevent them from breaking. So if you're someone who suffers from hair breakages or hair loss, you should incorporate rice into your hair care regimen. The next thing I'm going to introduce for today's recipe is bay leaves. Bay leaves have also amazing benefits when it comes to hair growth. But before telling all about it, I would love for you to show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So make sure to leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and families and also on your social media platforms because you might not know who you'll be helping to grow their hair. Alright, so I added about 5 cups of water to my rice and bay leaves and I'm going to transfer it onto the stove and allow it to boil. The next thing I'm going to introduce is my fresh rosemary herbs. You can feel free to use the dry ones if that's what you have. Rosemary has amazing benefit when it comes to hair growth. It helps improve blood circulation in the scalp and this will in turn help you grow new healthy hair. Rosemary herbs can also help stop hair breakages. I'm also going to add bay leaves to this rosemary herbs. And after that, I'm going to transfer it into my blender and blend everything together. I'm not going to add anything to the blender, just these two natural ingredients. Bay leaves is also great to stimulate new healthy hair growth. It can also stop hair breakages, hair fall, or hair thinning. So all these natural ingredients put together are really beneficial when it comes to hair growth. After blending everything together, I'm going to put it in a bowl like so, and I'm going to add my carrier oil. The oil I'm going to use today is my pure grapeseed oil. Just reading on the bottle, you can see grapeseed oil has omega-3 and 6 as well as vitamin E, and all these are great when it comes to hair growth. I'm also going to add my coconut oil. Coconut oil is lightweight, it easily penetrates into your hair strands, it can prevent dandruff and help you grow new healthy hair. After adding my coconut oil, I am going to stir everything together and I'm going to transfer this into my pot of boiling water. I'm going to use the double boiler method to infuse this oil. Let's check on the rice. So the rice has been boiling for about 5 minutes and at this time I'm just going to give it a quick stir so it doesn't stick on the pan. I boiled the rice altogether for about 10 minutes, but every rice is different. So depending on the rice you are using, you can always adjust the water and also adjust the time that needs to be boiled. So after this, I'm going to set it aside and I'm going to allow it to cool down. And as it's cooling down, I'm going to check on my oil, give it a quick stir, making sure everything is all infused together. I'm also going to set that aside. You can leave this overnight or leave it for a couple of hours or till it cools down, then you can strain your oil. So at this point, my oil is all cooled down and I'm going to use my strainer to strain the oil out. And here you are. If you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. On this channel, I do a lot of DIYs that can help you grow your hair much faster and also solve your hair problems. And also I teach you how to care for your hair. So make sure to join us. And here's what, I just love to read your comments. So leave me a comment in the section below. Do not forget to share this video with your friends and families as well as on your social media platforms so others can also benefit from this. So I had to strain this oil twice because I still had some little particles in it. So I used my paper towel to strain it the second time. And just look at that beautiful oil. This oil is going to solve a whole lot of hair problems like dandruff, itchy scalp, and also clean your scalp and give way to new healthy hair growth. So I'm going to set the oil aside, and at this time, we're going to strain our rice water. So once I get my rice water out like so, I am just going to put it aside, and there's one more natural ingredient that I need to add to this. So make sure you're watching to the end and you're not skipping any part of this video. I'm going to add my onion to it. I'm using red onions today, but you can use any onion of your choice. Onions contain sulfur, and this will strengthen your hair and prevent it from breaking. Also, the sulfur in onion helps in the production of collagen, and that is also really needed when it comes to hair growth. Onion also contains antibacterial properties that will prevent infection on your scalp, prevent dandruff, make you get healthy scalp, and give way to new healthy hair growth. So all these ingredients together are really great, especially if you're someone suffering from stunted growth, hair shedding, hair fall, hair thinning. You should use these two recipes. And I'm going to show you the best way to use these two recipes to grow your hair. So make sure you're watching this video to the end and you're not skipping any part of it so you do not miss any important information. So I strained my onion juice. This is what I'm having now, and I'm going to mix it in with my rice water. I'm also going to add some of my DIY bay leaves and rosemary oil to the rice water. And you can use any oil of your choice, but since I had this handy, I just decided to add it to this recipe. If the smell bothers you, you can always add lavender oil. Lavender oil also has its own benefits by strengthening your hair strands and also preventing dandruff and other scalp issues. But it's also going to add some great fragrance to this recipe. I'm going to transfer the recipe into a bottle to make the application much easier. Use this rice water at least once a week or twice a month. You're going to use this as your pre-poo. So before washing your hair, you're going to spray your hair with this rice water or just pour it into your hair, massage it into your hair strands and into your scalp. After that, you cover it with a rubber cap and leave it in your hair for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Then go ahead to wash with a mild shampoo. After washing with a mild shampoo, go ahead and condition your hair and also go in with a hair moisturizer. And you can use this oil on your scalp and also on your hair strands to prevent hair breakages and help you grow your hair much faster. Click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair much faster.